Hey, it's Ingrid. Let's talk about minimalism in the kitchen, cooking and living with less. Now, I get it. The kitchen is the heart of the home, but it's also where clutter loves to hide. We're constantly told that the next gadget will make our lives easier, that more is always better. It's a magnet for those just in case items we rarely use. Open a drawer, boom, there's that avocado slicer you used once, a relic from a single brunch party, or that stack of mismatched mugs. If you've ever reached for a pan and an avalanche of four lids fell on your foot, you know the struggle. It's a daily frustration that slowly chips away at the joy of cooking. But here's the thing, cooking doesn't have to mean chaos. A calm, functional kitchen is possible. Minimalism isn't about having nothing, it's about intentionality. It's about keeping only what adds genuine value. In the kitchen, that means tools that are versatile, reliable, and a pleasure to use. My golden rule: if I haven't used it in the past 3 months, it probably doesn't belong. For seasonal items, I extend that to a year. If I'm on the fence, I use the maybe box trick. I put the item in a box, and if I don't open it in 6 months, I donate it. This simple step removes the emotional pressure of making an immediate decision. It gives you permission to wait and see. And honestly, I almost never go back for anything in that box. So, where do I start? I ask myself, what do I actually use every single week? For me, it's a chef's knife, one cutting board, a spatula, a good pan, a pot. Most recipes don't need 10 gadgets. They need a few reliable tools and a little creativity. Now, let's talk food. Minimalism isn't just about stuff. It's about simplifying what I eat too. I focus on fresh ingredients and simple recipes. This reduces food waste and decision fatigue. No more staring into a packed fridge wondering what to make. I've essentially created a capsule pantry where every ingredient works with several others. It makes meal planning almost automatic. My pantry staples are versatile: rice, beans, pasta, olive oil. One favorite meal: roasted veggies, splash of olive oil, pinch of salt. Simple, delicious, no complicated cleanup. Minimalist cooking saves time. Less rummaging, more cooking. Cleanup is easier. Less to wash, less to store, less stress. But here's the real secret. Living with less gives me more. More counter space, which is a breath of fresh air. More mental clarity. More gratitude for the beautiful, functional tools I've chosen to keep. I can cook without feeling overwhelmed. That makes every bite taste better. So next time you're in the kitchen, look around. Which tools do you really love? Which ones do you actually use? Start there. Donate or recycle the rest. Cooking with less makes room for what matters, one meal at a time. Thanks for hanging out. Curious about simple living? Hit like and stick around for more. Until next time, stay simple, stay satisfied.